the most popular requests I have received from cherished subscribers. That is doing pizza in the frying pan without oven. And I'll try my best to use less equipment so that it can be done in every home. Come, let's do it together. Yalla! I'll start with the flour. We have 2 cups of plain flour. You put in our bowl. Half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 cup of warm water. The warm water will activate the yeast. I'll mix it really well, but we'll add the water gradually. I'll have half. Mix it. Sprinkle a little oil. Cover it for 1 hour. After 1 hour, the dough must be double in size. The 1 hour is up. And you can see the dough has been double in size. So I'll just knock the air out. See how smooth it is. Because I'm going to do it in the frying pan, and the heat will come from only the bottom, not like oven. I will divide the dough into 2. And I will again let it rest for 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes is up. It has rested well. And that's a little flour on our clean table. It with a little olive oil. Pizza dough in the pan. These are the ingredients we are going to use: yellow pepper, mushroom, green pepper, black olives, tomatoes, onion, our homemade pizza sauce. If you want to know how to make the pizza sauce, I will leave the description below the video so that you go and check the video of the homemade pizza sauce we have. And then grated mozzarella cheese. And then I will toss in some dry oregano. So let's go on. You can spread it evenly. Our sauce cheese. Beautiful. Okay. Our yellow capsicum. Tomatoes, mushroom, beautiful color. And then the onion, black olives, dry oregano. This is lovely. Cheese. Okay, so from here we put it on our stove on a medium heat to cook it slowly. The stove will be on medium. You cover it. Wait for it to cook slowly. It's about 3 minutes now. And you can see the dough is cooking beautifully. it came out very nice. And I bet you, this is the best pizza you can get by using frying pan. Follow the simple recipe and enjoy your pizza at home. Thank you for watching. God bless you and God bless us all. Adieu.
Oh